The 2023 Chevy Blazer is a two-row, mid-size SUV that'll satisfy people who like to drive and want to drive something that stands out. While it has a generous amount of cargo and passenger space, the quality of its cabin materials can't match similarly priced rivals. The 2023 Chevy Blazer is a two-row, mid-size SUV that'll satisfy people who like to drive and want to drive something that stands out. While it has a generous amount of cargo and passenger space, the quality of its cabin materials can't match similarly priced rivals. For 2023, Chevy gives the Blazer a facelift that makes the midsize SUV look even more distinctive. The updates apply largely to the front end, with a new grille design and fresh lighting elements. Out back, the taillights also have a new look, and there's a set of newly designed wheels, in sizes 18 to 21 inches. The exterior of the Blazer also benefits from more paint colors with the addition of fountain blue, sterling gray, copper bronze, and radiant red. Night shift blue is now available on the RS trim level, too. The interior is upgraded with new standard tech features such as a new 10-inch touchscreen and a wireless charging pad. We recommend the 3LT trim level, mainly because it unlocks the V6 engine option, which increases the max towing capacity from 3,500 to 4,500 pounds, when equipped with the trailering equipment, of course. We choose the V6 and the towing package and add the sound and technology package that includes a 120-volt outlet, a 360-degree camera system, additional USB ports, a Bose stereo, and a rear-view camera mirror. The Blazer features a standard 228 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder and an optional 308 horsepower 3.6-liter V6. Both pair with a 9-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. The front-drive, Turbo 4 version has sufficient power for getting around town and highway duty. However, the V6 delivers impressive acceleration and provides added confidence when passing on the highway. Quick as the last Blazer RS we tested was, the automatic transmission was slow to downshift when we wanted a quick burst of acceleration. The four-cylinder can tow up to 1,500 pounds, while the V6 version can handle up to 4,500 pounds. With steady composure and accurate steering, the Blazer is easily the best driving crossover to wear the Chevrolet bow tie. It was confident and responsive on twisty sections of road, especially the RS model, which has exclusive steering and suspension tuning. Even without the sportier setup found on the RS, the Blazer is more engaging than many competitors. Its standard 18-inch wheel and tire combo provided a smoother and quieter ride than the RS model that wore large 21-inchers, which thudded over bumpy roads. Thankfully, both models remained hushed on even surfaces and at highway speed. The steering's precise feedback was satisfying during spirited sessions yet fluid at low speed. The firm brake pedal immediately responded to our inputs, and the brakes brought our Blazer RS test vehicle to a stop from 70 miles per hour in an impressive 165 feet. The Blazer with the standard Turbo 4 is rated at up to 22 miles per gallon city and 29 highway. The V6 version is slightly thirstier, with estimates up to 20 miles per gallon city and 27 highway. Inside, the Blazer design is heavily inspired by the Chevy Camaro, with an intuitive climate control system that features round air vents below the center stack. These vents can be twisted to adjust the temperature settings. The visual flourishes include soft-touch plastics and a two-tone color scheme. While the fancier models receive leather surfaces and flashier materials, our mid-level test car had several cheap pieces and mostly grayscale colors. The Blazer also offers desirable content, such as ambient interior lighting, heated and ventilated front seats, and heated rear seats. With 31 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 64 with the seats folded, we were able to fit 11 and 26 carry-on suitcases, respectively. There are several storage solutions for small items, including ledges on the front door panels that are perfect for smartphones. There's a decent-sized cubby at the front of the center console, too, and the bin has good space, albeit without organization. The back seat is less remarkable, with a bin at the back of the center console and small door pockets. Every Blazer comes with a 10.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability as well as wireless charging for compatible phones. The system's interface is attractive and easy to operate, but a rotary controller would be helpful to reduce distractions. A pair of USB ports located at the front and on the back of the center console are standard. A 120-volt outlet is also available on certain models. The Blazer also can be equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot, 8-speaker Bose audio system, and built-in navigation. Key safety features include standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, available blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control.